Yes, student, in this video we will see the relationship formula between standard Gibbs energy change of a reaction and standard cell potential. Student, as we know, when an electrochemical cell start to work, okay, that is when we set up two half cell, okay, containing electrolytic solution, and when they are connected through a conducting wire and emitter, etc., then we have observed that the electrical work is started, that is the production of electrical energy is started. So here the electrical work done, that is how many electricity will be produced, that will be equal to decrease in the energy of the system, that is the chemical start to decompose to produce the electrical energy, means electrical energy work done is equal to decrease in the energy. Again, in case of galvanic cell, the electrical work done, that is how much electrical work is done, this is equal to electrical energy produced, getting, which is, and this electrical energy produced is equal to product of quantity of electricity flowing in the circuit, getting. Now the quantity of electricity flowing in the circuit, it is equal to what? It is equal to the number of moles of electron multiplied by the Faraday constant. Here F is what? This is Faraday constant. Faraday constant. And what is Faraday constant? It is what? 96500 Coulomb. Okay. How do we obtain Faraday constant? It is Faraday constant. It is the total number of charges produced by 1 mole of substance or 1 mole of electron. Total number of charges produced by what? 1 mole of electron. Are you getting? Now the work done, this is given by the Gibbs energy. This is the sign of Gibbs energy. Okay, that is decrease in the Gibbs energy is equal to NFE cell. Okay. Now for comparing different type of cell, besides of E cell, we are taking what? E standard cell, that is standard cell potential, and the Gibbs energy become standard Gibbs energy. Hence the standard Gibbs energy is equal to number of electron, that is number of moles of electron flows multiplied by Faraday constant, which in turn multiplied by standard cell. So, and student, from the previous video we know that E standard cell, it is given by RT upon NF log in Kc. Okay? That was the relationship between E standard cell and Kc. So here, placing value of E standard cell, we will get minus del Rg is equal to NF into RT NF, okay, log in Kc, or NF is cancelled by these NFs, therefore del Rg, that is minus sign is placed here, minus RT log in Kc. So from this equation we can see the relationship between del Rg as well as standard cell as well as what? Kc. Getting? To better understand all this relationship and to application of this relationship, we can see one of the question like calculate the del Rg and maximum work done for the reaction. The reaction is zinc plus copper cation gives copper solid, that is reduced to copper solid and forms aqueous zinc cation solution. Student, we also have to calculate here one more thing, what? Equilibrium constant, as we have seen in our previous video. So calculate the del Rg. So number A will be del Rg standard is equal to minus, what is this? R into E, okay, log in what? Or simply you can call it what? del RG is equal to N F E cell. Okay, and this is what? Minus sign. Now start placing the value. What is the value of N? So 2 number of electrons are participated. Therefore, this is what? 2 into F Faraday constant is 96500 multiplied by, you know that for E standard cell work between Zn and copper. Okay, here E standard cell is what? 1.10. For which cell? Zinc and copper system. So 1.10. So you will get the value. It is 212300. 212300 joule. Okay. Or if you have to find del G of reaction will be equal to minus 21230 and convert joule into what? Kilojoule per mole. Okay. So in this way we can find what? Del Rg, that is Gibbs energy of reaction. Now the second question is also calculate equilibrium constant. Okay. Find what? Equilibrium constant. So now can you work for it? Solve this question by watching previous video. Okay, we have already solved 2 questions related to calculation of AC.